Should I get you more?
No. Whoa!
Good job not going.
Whoa.
Dude, what was that?
What was he doing? Are you okay?
Whoa.
Whether he liked it or not. And regardless of what sort of man John Carr was, his father for Finn left the graveyard. He walked to the front.
Video is now
Oh my god!
Okay?
Oh.
from such countries can also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be Connecting to the emergency call center.
Monogamous when it comes to your vehicles?
When it comes to cars, yes. You're when it comes to women, you're monogamous?
I am married.
We're opposite, so it's okay.
Alright.
Oh, shit!
We have not seen
shit!
Right? There's been 3 drives where Jaden Daniels started in preseason. All 3 ended with a scoring opportunity. There was a touchdown, a field goal, and a missed field goal. At the same time, they weren't going up against an exotic blitz look like Todd.
Maybe somebody else will take it over. I bet they don't. It's been family.
Yeah, they're green lights.
Now, are you close to Flamingo? Oh shit!